welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then thanks for dropping in by my channel. It absolutely means the world to me. And if you have already been there with me from my recent past, then no more introduction is basically needed. Today I have come up with a review video, and the product which I'm going to review today is going to be the Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask 2X by Innisfree, which is this one. As you can see, like, this is the outer curtain of the Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask 2X. And yeah, I'm just going to review this particular baby today. So if you are interested in knowing in depth and detail and everything about like this particular little baby, then please keep on watching. So now today's particular product, which is the Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask 2S, is from the brand Innisfree. Now Innisfree is a Korean skincare brand. Now Innisfree as a brand has a very rich and very interesting history. So Innisfree brand operates from and over the Jeju Volcanic Island, which is located on the Korean peninsula. And Jeju Volcanic Island is basically a volcanic island which has occurred out of the volcanic eruption over millions and billions of years. So yeah, and as we all know, like, volcanic eruptions and volcanic substances has such good natural ingredients in it, and basically the owner of Innisfree has used those ingredients, like those good natural ingredients, into his products, like into the Innisfree products, and he has come up with various Innisfree products which are basically sourced from that particular Jeju island. Now this volcanic range is amongst those few ranges. So now talking about what it actually is. So it is actually a clay mask which comes in a 100 ml packaging like this. This is a very sturdy jar-like container which holds the entire product in it. It is very travel friendly. It is not going to break, or it's not going to spill over here and there. The only bummer which I felt like is it should have come with a spatula or spoon to scrape it from this jar. Now if I open this jar, you can see the entire product in it. So there is a film over here, like a cap, like a transparent cap, which protects this one from spilling in. So yeah, this is it. This is the simple packaging. I hope there was a spatula to scrape it from and use it on our face. Now talking about the ingredients, I will first you guys go through the ingredients so that I can explain the work of this particular product better. So now this particular product is a 3-way exfoliator, having both the physical exfoliators and the chemical exfoliators at the same time. Now namely, the physical exfoliator that are present in this particular thing are the Jeju volcanic clusters, like the clusters. So the Jeju volcanic cluster is that cluster which has come out from the volcanic eruption which I was talking about earlier, and the clay from the volcanic eruption has the ability to suck in the gunk or impurities or dust or particles which might be present on your pores and leaving your pores very clean and fresh. Now the second ingredient which it has is the AHA, which is alpha hydroxy acid, which acts as a chemical exfoliator, which when it comes onto the surface of your skin, it basically exfoliates the upper dead skin layer and leaving you with a baby soft, subtle and plump skin. And the third ingredient namely is the walnut shell, which helps in the physical exfoliation of your face. Now when you open this jar, you get the product inside it, and when I first saw it, I had this impression in my mind that, oh my god, how am I going to apply this? This looks so thick and so intense. But trust me, when you start applying it, it glides on your face amazingly, just amazingly, and you will end up using a tiny amount of product. You don't need like a lot of product to apply on your face, because this is the magic of this product. It glides on your face amazingly because it has glycerin, and the other good side of having a glycerin is that when you wash the product off your face, it does not make your face dry and stretchy like the typical other clay mask does. And so now this is designed mainly for the oily to combinational skin people out there and who are very much suffering from their pore problems. So I do have very enlarged pores onto like this area of my face, so I thought of giving this a try, and I'm so very happy that I bought it and I have started giving it a try. So this is recommended to use once or twice a week. I do use once in a week. I don't go twice a week because I don't feel like going twice a week, so I just go on with this one for once a week. Now how to use it? So first you need to clean your face, then tone your face, then put this on your face with a thin layer, because you won't be needing too much of this product, so it's obvious that you will be applying a thin layer of this product, and then keep this product for 10 to 15 minutes. Here I want to add one thing, that this is not going to be that cracky dry on your face after 15 minutes, because this is basically a non-drying mask which is not going to be like fully dry on your face. So the good side of that is it is not going to leave you with wrinkles in the long run. And then you wash it off with a lukewarm water. First you splash on some lukewarm water, and then you massage it into your face like your fingers like this. So now at this point the physical exfoliants can work on your skin, and it can remove the dead cells, the dead particles, and all the gunks and impurities and sebum which were there into your pores can come out easily. As the days goes on, our pores do collect dust, impurities, gunks, sebum, excess sebum, which leads to the enlargement of the pores and which leads to breakout also. So once you start using these products, your pores remains clean for the longer run, and then they will tend to appear smaller, and that's the reason the brand is claiming that this is going to make your pores smaller, and that is the technique behind making your pores smaller, because when your pores do have gums and impurities, it appears larger, and when they don't have, they appear smaller. So once you are cleaning all the gums and impurities and dust and particles and excess sebum from your surface of your pores, not from the surface, like from inside of your pores, they will definitely appear to be smaller. Product is designed to deep clean and suck out all the toxins from your skin. Now according to my personal experience, when I used to touch my face before using this product, like if I am going to use this product after the video, if I touch my face, I will feel some tiny little bumps which are cause of the accumulation of the sebum, and they are going to be like those whiteheads or whatever you can see. Now after I will use this product, and I will wash it off with some lukewarm water, massaging it into my skin, and then my skin will appear visibly smoother and visibly softer, and the pores will be visibly smaller. So that is the thing which I love about this product. So now all in all, according to my views and my reviews, this is a super worthy product. It's worth giving it a try. So now here I will be ending my review. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this particular video, and I was able to answer to all your queries and all your questions that were in your mind. So if you have already used this product, then do let me know in the comment section below what was your experience with this product, and if you haven't yet bought this, then you can give it a try. It's a worthy product, and it is a good product. And if you want to know something more from me, don't hesitate to drop a comment in the comment section below. I will be happy to answer to all you guys. And here I will be concluding this video. I will see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel.